Looking for premium stones para sa inyong dream home? Tara, samahan niyo ako sa quick tour ng aming stone warehouse. Dito makikita nyo ang iba't ibang uri ng imported stones, perfect for kitchen, dining table, wall cladding, and marami pang iba. Ito ang aming sintered stone collection. Kilala ito dahil sa sobrang tibay, scratch resistant, heat resistant, at marami pang iba. Perfect din ito para sa kitchen, wall cladding, and dining tables. Next is meron din tayong premium quartz na kilalang kilala na sa market. Perfect ito for kitchen countertop and bathroom vanities. Kung gusto mo naman ng classy look na budget-friendly, ito ang ating artificial marble. Perfect din ito para sa countertop, reception tables, and marami pang iba. Hindi lang kami basta supplier ng stones, dito rin mismo namin ginagawa ang customized cutting. So guys, andito tayo ngayon sa aming cutting area kung saan namin ginagawa ang mga customized cutting order. Bawat order, sinisigurado namin quality bago ipadala sa mga clients. At guys, andito naman tayo sa ating advanced water jet machine. Gamit ang aming advanced water jet machine, nakakasigurado kaming quality at precise ang mga cutting. From Ross Lab, ginagawa namin itong beautiful countertops, dining tables, and bathroom vanities. So kung naghahanap ka ng premium stones and custom fabrication, nandito na lang. Visit our stone warehouse and help us build your dream space with quality materials and professional craftsmanship. Messages today for inquiries. For free quotation and consultation. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more construction and inspiring videos.